Hello beautiful, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I have this chick haircut that will make it look beautiful. One thing with this style is that it's a haircut that's easy to style. It's a quick haircut that is versatile. And one thing with this style is that it's a haircut that will always take many years of your age. So this is a beautiful haircut for beautiful matured women. If you're really looking for a haircut, for that red carpet event, because this is the season of celebrations and partying, and you really want that hairstyle that will make you look gorgeous, this haircut today is for you. So if you're really looking for that visual appealing haircut, or the age appropriate haircut, or that low maintenance hairstyle, this haircut is also for you, because they are fabulous and fierce hairstyle for black women that are over 30, and they will always be pleased to really accommodate or rock this haircut. Take a good look on this style, man. It's looking so beautiful, and it's an ideal haircut for every beautiful black women. One thing with this haircut is that it will take many years of your age, and it's a haircut that will always make you look gorgeous. These are one of the best chic haircut that are gorgeous for beautiful black women. If you're really confused on kind of hairstyle to really rock to that party, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end, because you're not gonna regret watching this video. So guys, if it's the first time, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh.
I'm sorry. This has to be addressed. How did this become this? Become this? Become this? Huh?
My yoke is light, my burden is light. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God and my Father, bless your people, take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay. Oh, le. Oh.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I reach a breath of life. That's how I got my life. That's how you change my world. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe. Oh, your name, what is your name, breathe, Lord. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe.
Yeah. Just breathe your name upon us. Just have your way in our lives. Now that there is trouble and confusion, yeah. Let your healing hand do wonders in our lives, Lord, yeah. Just breathe your name.